All right, guys, customers are asking us to start loading some new calibers. Lance wants us to put a list together. What do you got?
Wait, have you seen this video of Luke Bryan getting buck fever?
No.
It's wild.
Is he down? Is he down, Hunter? Hunter, is he? Hunter, is he down?
Can't see shit out of this thing. I don't know.
Hunter, is he down? Is he down, Hunter? Oh, God.
I don't see anything.
Oh, God, is he down? Is he down? Oh, tell me he went down. Did he go down, Hunter? Is he down? You know, Luke brings up a good point. We need a good whitetail round. 243. What do you think about 243?
Yeah, that could probably bring some attention to us.
All right, so Hunter's on board with 243. Fletch, what do you think?
Anybody got a light?
Yeah, I might have a lighter.
What in the hell is that?
It's ham.
Ham?
Yeah, pocket ham. I shot a pig this morning.
Shot it with what?
6.5 Grundle.
That's disgusting. You walk around with ham in your pocket? That's why we have a rat problem.
What are you talking about? We don't have a fucking rat problem.
There's one right there! You've cooked your last soup, ratatouille.
Guys, we got to get back on track. Turner's gonna. Oh no, he's got the ham nabs.
Remember that time last season when we were out in the plains of Wyoming and I shot at you and missed? And then thought for sure I was gonna hit you that second time. Missed again. Third shot was right on the money till I missed. Then luckily that truck hit you. Came out of nowhere. Still ended up getting your ass though.
See, we're getting behind. This is what I'm talking about. You guys just bounce some ideas. I got to run, maybe 30-06. See what you come up with. I think that'll be a good one.
We call Kendrick.
Yeah, we can call Kendrick. Jason.
Yeah.
Dude, we need a 30-06 load. I need you to go back there. I need you to shoot some rounds. Let's figure it out. Pressure, velocity, all of it. Let's get it done. All right, bye.
Hey guys, I just got done with the 30-06. Everything looks good. SD's a 4, but man, it kicks like a mule. It has beat my ass.
Where did Mike go?
I think I saw him out back. What the f is he doing?
Mike! They need you up front! Come on!
Hey,
Where the hell you been?
I was out back. I was testing 6 arc.
Why are you dressed like that?
Well, it's a military cartridge. I was testing it.
We're gonna sit down, G.I. Joe.
Well, 6 arcs ago.
All right.
Once again. Where'd we leave this? How you boys feel about 270?
Yeah, let's do it.
270? All right. 270.